An idea can change your life. Well, the Vodafone Idea is trading at 52-week high. Welcome dosto to my YouTube channel. Well, is this a good time to invest into the Vodafone Idea, or I would say if you are buying, should you exit or continue to hold the Vodafone Idea stock? Well, we have seen stock coming back very, very strongly, and after a long consolidation period onto the charts, the price has finally seen some breather for the bulls over here, or the investors which are holding for quite long. I remember when 2000, I guess probably 18, 19, if I don't remember the exact year, but there was the somewhere around 40 42 rupees the stock was trading, and there was an FPO as well at higher price, and most of the investors have invested in those stock and continue to hold in hopes that this will be back into the three digits. Well, what are the charts saying now, and should you continue to hold or buy the new investments into the Vodafone Idea? Let's look at what are the charts saying. So starting with the monthly chart over here on the idea, if you look at the structure over here, since in 2018-19 over here, if you look at the stock has been in a range consolidation zone, and I guess many of the investors seems that I remember when idea was trending somewhere around 15 18 rupees or 20 rupees, most of the investor wanted to invest in this stock, and my view was that why do you want to invest into the dead stock or into the consolidation zone? Let's wait for the breakout, and as soon as the breakout is there, you can look for an opportunity over here. But now look at, since 2018-19, probably the stock has been in a big consolidation zone. Now the reason I'm highlighting interesting me for here is, if you look at the volume, so I should just add the volume, and if I just look at the volumes over here, okay, look at the volume right from around 2020 to the monthly volumes were dried out. We saw a consolidation breakout happening over here. If I just connect the trend line over here, if you look at the range over here has been now taken out, and if you look at the momentum, the volumes have been picking up slow and steady. This is the September volume, as I highlighted, 28% up in this month of September. Now with the November, it's been gaining again the momentum, though we are not yet finished the month of November. But look at the 22% rise, 22% rise, and volumes are slow and steady picking up. Even if you look at when the October was range bound, we have seen a slow and steady accumulation happening, which was above the volume of the 2022. Now, interestingly, if I just look at these volume right over here, the open low were same, and this low has been consolidating or taking acting as a support over here. The previous year low over here has been quite held, and if you look at the low over here, which is been acting as a support over here, so yes, the momentum seems coming back very strongly over here. But for me, I'll just wait for this high to be taken out over here. Okay, so around 17 17 and a half the highs, if this is taken out, or probably 18, that could be a good confirmation of that the range breakout has happened on a longer period. Now if I look at the weekly chart, and if I just look at the moving average, which I generally look at for the golden cross, which is 50 and 200. So if I just add over here the 50 and 200, now look at this. Yes, the price are yet to break out the 200 days average over here, which is slightly near 16. So we have seen the price hitting 52 weeks high today. But yes, this will act as a major support role. Uh, Sorry, resistance zone. But yes, yet we are yet to see the consolidation zone or the golden cross over here. We saw the last death cross back in, which was this year 2016, I guess. Yes, this was 2016 when the death cross has happened, and since that the stock is being into the negative territory. Now, once this golden cross happen, yes, there is a possibility that the stock may see a bottoming structure. But as of now, I'll wait for this 52 week, 200 weekly exponential moving average to be taken out, and 50 the golden cross of 50 above. Though the confirmation could be delayed, but yes, it seems that being the volatile stock, being the investors' favorite. I'm not in a league of investors' favorite stock, but yes, if the setups turn out to be a stronger bullish over here, I may look at the stock into the investment arena. But as of now, I'll wait for 17, 18 convincingly to be taken out. The golden cross, the only positive for me is the volumes over here. So keep a watch on this stock.
Well, that was the trend what chart is indicating. But as I'm saying that this is not a recommendation which I am using on my YouTube channel, but this is a chart structure and being a technical analyst or chartist for quite long years. I think such kind of volume analysis, such kind of golden cross or the moving averages using multi-time frame analysis helps investor or a trader to take a decision which could be unbiased over here. And that's the reason I'm sharing this video. And if in case you are planning to invest into the Vodafone Idea, I would suggest consult your investment advisor before investing, because being a volatile stock, 20-30% plus or minus can be in a quick time into the such kind of stocks. So keep a watch. I guess I'll wait for 17, 18 to be taken out. A weekly golden cross coming into the picture, though the volumes are highlighting that the structure seems slow and steady building onto the potential bullish side over here. But keeping in mind the levels which I have discussed, I'll wait for the stock and not jump into the category of investing or catching the running train where the stock is trending onto the bullish side. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia.